Good morning to all of you. By the grace of Great Vaheguru, let us start our second most important question. Second most important topic is time dependent Schrödinger equation. Time dependent Schrödinger equation. In the last lecture, we discussed the time independent Schrödinger equation, in which t part is not available. T part is not there. Now we will write the time dependent Schrödinger equation. It clearly means that there will be a clear visibility of a variable quantity t. Now see, I will start from the three-dimensional wave function of a particle that is given by psi is equal to a into e raised to power iota k dot r minus omega t. Okay, k is equal to kxi cap plus ky j cap plus kz k cap, where r vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, now k dot r becomes this one. Okay, ii1 jj1 kk1, rest of the combination will vanishes, will zero. Now I will differentiate equation 1 with respect to x, with respect to x. So what's the formula? The formula is e raised to power u with respect to x is e raised to power u into du upon dx. Now see, ये पार्ट तो ऐसे ही आ जाएगा, a is constant तो e raised to power u into du upon dx. Okay, ठीक है? तो ये आया कर्ली में कर्ली है x of e raised to power iota k dot r minus iota omega t is a constant. So iota omega t का डेरिवेटिव क्या आ जाएगा? जीरो. क्या आ जाएगा? with respect to x is 0, तो मैंने 0 लिख लिया. Okay, now see, this is xkx yky plus zkz. Now see, the derivative of this with respect to x is 0, the derivative of this quantity with respect to x is 0. Only left quantity is x into kx. Kx is also a constant, kx is also a constant, वो भी constant है. तो किसका बचा? x का बचा. तो कर्ली x by कर्ली x 1, तो आ गया iota omega into kx. ये लिख लिया मैंने, iota psi into kx. This is the first derivative. Now do this second derivative. Again differentiate equation number 3 with respect to x. तो क्या आ गया? ये आ गया कर्ली टू साइड में कर्ली x square. This is constant. Iota into kx is constant. Only कर्ली साइड by कर्ली x term will survive. Now see, use 3 and 4. Curly side by curly x we already evaluate. Okay, we have already evaluated this equation. So use 3 and 4, we will get this. By solving this, I am getting curly to psi by curly x square is equal to minus kx square into psi. So similarly with respect to y and z, equations are minus ky square psi minus kz square psi. Okay. Now add equation 5, 6 and 7. We get to get this. But this is equal to del square psi and this is equal to k square psi. Okay. Okay, now this p is equal to h cross k and k is equal to p upon h cross. So I use 9 in 8, I am getting this. So this h cross will be multiplied this side and minus side also. This is p square psi. Okay. Now see, differentiate again. Again differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. That we already discussed in the last lecture. So again, curly side by curly t is this derivative into minus iota omega. So this term will become minus iota omega into psi. Okay. Now see, we know that E is equal to h nu. E is equal to h nu. ठीक है, मैक्स प्लैंक ने बताया था E is equal to h nu. So what I will do multiply. I will derivatively multiply the factor 2 pi and divide by the factor 2 pi. कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. What is h by 2 pi? H by 2 pi is called h cross and omega is equal to 2 pi mu. Omega is equal to 2 pi mu. तो h cross omega आ गया. तो omega क्या आया? E by h cross. So equation 12 becomes minus iota E by h cross. Okay. So what I will do now? Now I will multiply iota h cross. I will multiply iota h cross both sides. So what will happen? Iota h cross curly side by curly t minus iota into iota. क्या आ गया? Minus iota into iota. Minus iota square. Iota square minus 1 minus minus plus. So plus 1. Plus 1 h cross get cancel with the h cross. Okay. So what I am getting? I am getting a iota h cross curly side by curly t is equal to e psi. So this is the equation. Now I will solve the right hand side. I will solve the right hand side. Now can you tell me the total energy of particle? Let us say m is the mass of particle. Let us say m is the mass of particle. V is the potential energy. V is the potential energy of particle. E is the total energy of particle. So what is formula? E is equal to kinetic plus potential. What is kinetic energy? What is kinetic energy? Half mv square, and that can be written as a p square by 2. P square by 2m. Let us say this is question number 15. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, m square v square by 2, p square by 2m, because p is equal to m into v. Let us say this is equation number 16, because p is equal to mv. Okay, so use 16 and 15. We get क्या है हमारे पास? E is equal to p square by 2m plus v. ये है ना? E is equal to p square by 2m plus v. Okay. Now multiply by psi both sides. Multiply by psi both sides. Let us see this question number 17. Multiply 17 by psi both sides. We get. तो क्या आ गया? E psi is equal to p square psi plus 2m plus v psi. Any doubt? Any difference? No. Psi दोनों psi कैंसिल हो जाएगा? हाँ जी. What is p square psi? 18 लिखो. Let us say this is a 18. Okay. Let us this is a 18. Now what I will do? हाँ जी, क्या करना आपने? Either you can compare 14 and 18. Either you can compare 14 and 18. Okay. Or use 14 and 18. Compare 14 and 18 we get. Okay. Now see. Side, or we can say use 14 in 18. One and same thing. ठीक है? तो क्या आंसर है हमारा? आयोटा h cross करली साई बाय करली t इज इक्वल टू क्या आया? बताना भाई. क्या आया? p स्क्वायर साई बाय 2m प्लस v साई 90. ओके. ये आ गया 90. Okay. Now see what is p square psi? What is p square psi? P square psi is equal to minus h cross del square psi. Use 11 in 19 question. इतना ज्यादा इक्वेशन नंबर पता क्यों डालते हैं? ताकि गलती होने के चांसेस कम हो और ज्यादा समझ आए. ठीक है. 11 in 19 मींस कितना आया? आयोटा h क्रॉस करली साई बाय करली t इज इक्वल टू कितना आया? माइनस x स्क्वायर del स्क्वायर साई डिवाइड बाय 2m plus v psi. So this is the ultimate equation. This is the ultimate equation. Three dimensional iota h plus करली साई. Yes, this is the ultimate equation. This is called a three dimensional. This is called a three dimensional. This is called a 20. Equation 20 is called three dimensional 3D time dependent Schrödinger equation. किसके लिए? For restricted particle. For क्योंकि V आ रहा है इसमें क्या आ रहा है? V is available for restricted particle. Okay. So any doubt? Okay. See, here T is there. That is why it is called a time dependent. Let us discuss the special case 1 for free particle v क्या हो जाएगा 0 और इक्वेशन 20 क्या बन जाएगी इक्वेशन 20 becomes iota h cross curly x by curly t minus x square by 2m del square psi. Equation 20 is called a three-dimensional time-dependent Schrödinger equation for free particle. तो लिखिए equation 21 is called time-dependent Schrödinger equation for for free okay now let us discuss for the one dimensional के लिए क्या बन जाएगी वन डायमेंशन के लिए क्या बन जाएगी फॉर वन डायमेंशन दिस इज वन डायमेंशन के लिए क्या बन जाएगी फॉर 1D और 1D क्या बन जाएगा डेल स्क्वायर क्या बन जाएगा डेल स्क्वायर will be equal to curly 2 psi by curly x square plus curly 2 psi by curly y square plus curly 2 psi by curly z square for 1D this del square psi is equal to curly 2 psi by curly x square is equal to d2 psi by dx square so equation 20 will become equation 20 becomes क्या आया iota h cross curly psi by curly t is equal to क्या आया minus h square by 2m into d2 psi by dx square plus v psi ये किसके लिए आया ये किसके लिए आया रिस्ट्रिक्टेड पार्टिकल इसके लिए क्या है ये दिस इज कॉल्ड अ 1D दिस इज कॉल्ड अ 1D वन डायमेंशनल टाइम डिपेंडेंट Schrödinger equation for restricted and similarly for free particle case number 3 for free particle v is equal to 0 so let us say this is question number 22 कितना आया equation 22 becomes v0 कर लो तो कितना आया iota h cross curly psi by curly t iota h cross curly psi by curly t is equal to minus x square by 2m into d2 psi by dx so this is called a one dimensional this is called a one dimensional time dependent time one dimensional time dependent Schrödinger equation for free part you can take the click of this now see we have a four equations 4 equations of time dependent Schrödinger equation. Okay. Any doubt from this side? Now see, we have a total of 4 time dependent and 4 time independent Schrödinger equation. So you can make a flowchart of this or this also. You can बना सकते हैं, टेबल बना सकते हैं इसका.
केड़ा बना रहे हो? एक वंची का.
Any doubt from this part? Any doubt from this part? Time dependent Schrödinger equation. So we have derived the 3-dimensional and 1-dimensional time dependent Schrödinger equation.
और कितना का होगा?
So we have derived the 3-dimensional and 1-dimensional time dependent Schrödinger equation for structured particle as well as for the free particle. Okay, 3D में भी निकाला है, 1D में भी निकाला है. So these are the two important questions in the capacity of 8 marks. One is a time independent and another is for a time. Any doubt from this part? Benedict, Joseph, Michael?
No, sir.
हिंदी वालों को समझ आया? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.